We just got to the piano move for today, and it is an interesting one. We have an individual who's doing a DIY move. They had a rental truck, but they can't get the piano into their house because it has to go over some pretty rough terrain. We're going to be using what we call a land dolly to move the piano around the side of a house, over some grass and a steep hill. It's not easy, so please don't try this at home. We have a lot of experience and we're highly trained, and that's why we want to show you why it's so important to hire a professional piano mover. Now, if you guys are liking what you're seeing, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more piano moving videos. Okay, Josh and JT have taken our 12-foot aluminum ramp because we don't want to deal with the one on this Penske truck. We're going to be placing the piano onto this dolly, and then we're going to be pad wrapping it. When you guys are ready, go ahead and lift it up. I'll place the dolly.
Ready?
Yep. Okay, go ahead. We'll get it onto our truck, and then we'll get it pad wrapped. Ready, guys? Why don't you bring it over to me? I'll pull the dolly, then we'll get it pad wrapped. 3, 2, 1. We'll pad wrap it, we'll put it right onto Lunar.
One more, 2 bags.
Couple more.
Whenever you're ready.
On you guys.
Yep.
Let's see that. We're going to take our ratchet strap. Ratchet strap is connected. Now that we are all secure, it's time to take the piano down. Now we use this extra crank strap to ensure the piano stays on the land dolly.
Yep.
Get in front of it, ready down, tilt, tilt, tilt. Yep, it's real slippery.
Come towards you, JT.
Here we go, the rocks got me. I'm good. I'm good. All right. Nice, guys. Okay, we can...
Big bump coming up there.
You guys can head over that way. There's smoother ground. There you go.
Another bump.
Okay, come on, turn it.
Yep.
Turn it in there. Turn it in there. Okay. All right. Let's get that other dolly. You guys can see that we had a lot of uneven ground to cover. And this land dolly here really makes that possible. Here, you could do it. Okay, we're removing the strap that was holding the piano to the land dolly. Once the guys are ready, come around the back side. And on you guys. Keep it up, keep it up. Come on down. You got a lift in your side there, Josh. Okay. Okay, now lift it. Slow. Keep going, keep going. Give me a little lift. Got to get over that. There you go. Now we're in. Okay. Am I spinning around? Okay. Yep. Keep coming in. Now, go ahead. Go ahead, lift it up. In. Keep coming in.
Keep going in, JT. You gotta lift up.
You gotta lift up a little bit. There it is. Over. We just have to get over that threshold there. I'm coming up and in to you. Moving that upright piano up that hill and across the grass was a breeze. Even though we were throwing a curveball because it just rained and it was a little slippery out there, but Josh ended up throwing his baseball cleats on. That's a little pro tip there for you guys if you're losing traction while you're moving pianos up hillsides and across grass. Having cleats comes in clutch. I hope you're able to learn something about piano moving, and if you did, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this, and we'll catch you in the next one.